Hi students, I am sure you must have gone through the formulas related to statistics, that is related to mean. As we have discussed in the previous class, mean, median and mode are the three measures of central tendencies, and mean, median, mode can be studied in grouped data and ungrouped data. In ungrouped data we have dealt mean, and now we are dealing mean in grouped data. In group data, mean can be found out in three different methods as per the syllabus prescribed to you. The first one was direct method, the second is assumed mean method, and the third one is step deviation method. Now, in the previous session we have done a simple straightforward problem based on finding a mean in direct method. Now, the same direct method will do, but we will take a problem which is twisted, and it's a very important problem, and many a times this has come in the board examinations, where we are supposed to find the missing frequency of the given frequency distribution. So I have written the problem in front of you, and I'll read the problem to you. You may pause the video and copy this question, and parallelly you can do with me. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Means in this problem you are already given the value of mean, that is 18 rupees. Find the missing frequency f. Where is the missing frequency? Yes, this missing frequency we are supposed to find. Where given mean is 18. Given mean is equal to 18 rupees. Right. How do I do? For all the problems where the missing frequency is given, there is no other method except direct method. By default, for all the missing frequency problems, you have to apply direct method. In direct method, there are two columns which are important for any student. The first column will be, these two things will be given to you. You have to take the first column as mid value, and mid value is denoted by xi. Number of children is nothing but frequency called as fi. How do you calculate mid value? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So lower limit is 13, upper limit is lower limit is 11, upper limit is 13. 11 plus 13 is 24, by 2 is 12. Similarly, lower limit plus upper limit by 2, 13 plus 15, 28 by 2 is 14. And from here onwards, the difference is same being maintained, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. You can verify with the last one, 23 plus 25, 48 by 2 is 24. Now once you have found out the mid value, we have to find out the fi xi column, because we have to ultimately find sigma fi xi by sigma fi, means this entire frequency is to be added. Alright, now what is fi xi? I have to multiply these two columns. 12 sevens are 84, 14 6s are 84, 16 9s are 144, 13 into 18, 13 8s are 18 3s are 54, 18 3s is 54, 4 5 carry, 18 1s are 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 234. 20 into f is 20f, 20f, right? This you cannot add. 22 into 5 is 1110. 24 4s is 96. Now I have to add up these quantities. I cannot add 20f, so first I am writing 20f plus the rest of the quantities I will try to add. It is 6 plus 4 10 plus 4 14 plus 4 18 plus 4 22. 2 carry, 9 plus 2 11, 12, 13 14 15, 16 17 18 19, 19 plus 8 is 27, 27 plus 8 is 35, 5 3 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 5 6 7, 752. Now I have to add up the remaining quantity. F I cannot add, so I will write f plus 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 7 31, 31 plus 3 34, plus 10 is 44. So I got sigma fi value which is f plus 44, and sigma fi xi value which is 20f plus 752. Now given mean is 18. What is mean formula? Mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, because we are going to do by direct method, and that is given to you as 18. What is sigma fi xi, my dear children? It is 20f plus 752 by what is sigma fi? Sigma fi is equal to missing frequency f plus 44 is equal to 18. Now you have to cross multiply. 20f plus 752 is equal to 18 into f plus 44. I need to multiply this. 20f plus 752 is equal to 18 into f. 18f. Now I need to multiply 18 with 44. 18 4s are 72. 2. 7 carry. 18 4s are 72. 72 plus 7 is 79. 792. Now I will write 20f minus 18f is equal to 792 minus 752. 20f minus 18f is equal to 2f. 792 minus 752 is equal to what? 40. What is f is equal to? 40 divided by 2. F is equal to 20. F is equal to what? 20. So therefore we have determined the missing frequency. Alright students, please observe very carefully. These two columns will be given to you, class interval and frequency. You have to note down mid value, which is calculated as lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Then you have to calculate fi xi, calculate the entire sum of sigma fi xi, calculate the entire sum of sigma fi, and then put it in the formula, because already mean is given to you 18. With the simplification you will get the missing frequency is 20. So at the end you mention, therefore the missing frequency is how much? 20. So I am sure you understood how this problem is to be done. You can pause the video and you can copy the problem. And now since we have completed mean using direct method, we have done 2 questions on that. I am sure you can practice, and in case there is any doubt you can clarify by asking me the doubts or giving the comments. Now today we are going to deal in continuation to the mean, the second method, that is assumed mean method. The first one was direct method, the second one is assumed mean method. Even this method is only for grouped data. What did I say? Grouped data. Alright. Grouped data. It is applicable. And what is the formula? The formula says mean is equal to A plus sigma FD. Sigma FD by sigma Fi. Where what is A? A is the assumed mean. Please try to listen to me carefully, because the similar methodology you will be using in step deviation method. Sigma Fi is the total frequency. D is given by the formula xi minus A. D is given by the formula xi minus A. What is A? A is assumed mean. What is xi? Xi is the mid value. Xi is the mid value. And how do you calculate mid value? Formula goes lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That's how you calculate mid value. So this is a formula. Now here you have a problem in front of you, wherein which we are supposed to determine the mean of the following distributions. Let me write mean of the following distribution using assumed mean method. There are 2 things given to you. One is class interval and frequency. Frequency is not given. Let me write the frequency from the textbook. It is 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. So this is the frequency given and class interval is given to you. Usually in the question paper these 2 things are given to you horizontally, and you need to copy the problem in your notes vertically. So I write the class interval, I write the frequency, and now these columns are important. The first column what I require always when we are dealing with mean is mid value. What do you require? Mid value. I call that as xi. After mid value, writing this as xi, I have what do I say? I need to calculate deviation. D is equal to xi minus A, and then followed by f into D. Right? This is frequency into, I have to multiply f into D. Now how do you calculate mid value? 0 plus 2 by 2, that is 1. 2 plus 4 by 2, 6 by 2 is 3, 5, 7, 2 to difference, 9, 11 and 13. You can check. 12 plus 24 is 26 divided by 2 is 13. Now once you do that, any one of them you must call as mid value or assumed mean. I will generally take the center one. Center one you should take as the assumed mean. Now what is xi? This is xi. Now in the first case, xi is 1 minus assumed mean is what? 7. What is 1 minus 7? Minus 6. These values are important. Now 3 minus 7. What is 3 minus 7? Minus 4. Next 5 minus 7 is what? Minus 2. Next xi is 7, A is also 7, 7 minus 7 is what? 0. Now 9 minus 7 is 2, 11 minus 7 is 4, 13 minus 7 is 6. So what you get, the D value, these are all the D values, all these are the D values. Now once you get D values, I have to perform F into D, that is 1 into minus 6 minus 6, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 5 into 0 is 0, 6 into 2 is 12, 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 6 is 18. Now I have to find sigma F into D. Sigma F into D. First I will collect all the positive values. 18 plus 12 is 30 plus 8 is 38. Now I will collect all the negative values. Minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16. So now 38 minus 16. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So sigma FD value is 22. Now I need to calculate sigma Fi. I need to add up these things. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 5 16. 16 plus 1 17. 18 19 20. This is equal to what? 20. Now let us apply the formula. What is the formula? Already a formula written in front of you. So I will use the same formula. A. What is the value of A? Assumed mean. Assumed mean value is what? 7. Plus, what is sigma FD value you got? 22. By what is sigma Fi value? 20. Now I have to calculate this. 7 plus 2 goes 10 times, 2 goes 11 times. What is 11 by 10? 1.1. Easy calculation. 7 plus 1.1, 8.1. Again, no units because it is just a ratio. So, you have calculated mean by which method? Assumed mean method. Alright. So, I'm sure you are very clear with this assumed mean method. In the examination, it is not generally preferred or asked. Generally, they will ask you direct method or step deviation method. A student can understand step deviation method only when he is perfect or clear with assumed mean method. Okay, children? So, I want you to practice more and more and stay updated. For any clarifications, please don't forget to comment and like and share and hit the bell button, and hit the bell button only once. Don't repeatedly hit the bell button. Don't repeatedly hit the like button. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.